Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this homemade carrot oil to brighten the skin. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Sylvia. I make DIY skincare and hair care products. To make this homemade carrot oil, the oils has been carefully selected to help tone the skin, brighten the skin, and also to fade dark spots. So let's get started. To make this homemade carrot oil, I'm going to start with my carrots. At this point, I'm scraping the outer layer of the carrot. So I'm going to scrape it, and after scraping it, I'm going to wash it and damp it with a tissue paper. I'm going to damp it, and after damping it, then I start grating it. And if you notice, I'm using the smaller part of the grater. At this point, I'm done grating the carrot. The next thing is to spread out this grated carrot in a parchment paper and allow it to dry. And for drying it, there are different ways you can dry this carrot. The first method is to use a direct sunlight. Then the second is to use a dehydrator, and the third, you can use air fryer, and with the correct setting it can dry the carrot for you. And again, you can also just spread it out and leave it in the house maybe for the night, and the next day you will see it this way. And that's exactly what I did. And at this point, the grated carrot is dried. I would say crunchy at this point. So the next step I did is to measure out the quantity I needed. And what I measured 20 grams of the grated carrot, as you can see in this video. And the next, I'm transferring it into a beaker. After adding the grated carrot into my beaker, the next is to start adding the choice oils I picked. And I use for this carrot oil, I use 5 different oils. And remember, like I mentioned, the oils were carefully selected. They are light, and in order not to clog the pores on the skin, and that's why I chose the oils. So in the process of watching this video, I will show the oils. I will let you know where I got them and how you can purchase those oils. And I use 5 different oils. I use sunflower oil, I use rose hip oil, I use argan oil, I used carrot seed oil, and also I use aloe vera oil. In total, I use 120 grams of oils. After adding it into the beaker, I'm going to cover it. I'm going to cover this and let it sit for 3 weeks so that the nutrient in the carrot will infuse in the oils. So here are the oils I use. I got this from Timo, and it took like 5 days before it was delivered. After 3 weeks, here's my carrot oil. The next thing is to strain my carrot oil. And looking at the oil, you will know that you will notice that the nutrient from the carrot has been infused. It's already infused in the oil, and that's why the oil, you're seeing the color. I so much love this color. The shade is giving me is popping. So with my strainer, after straining this carrot oil, I'm going to transfer it into a sterilized bottle. And to mention, if you want this oil to last long, it's advisable to store it in a dark container. But this one, I'm doing this for the sake of the video. At the end of this video, you'll notice that I transferred it back into a dark container, and from there I will be using it. And also, you can use this oil, this carrot oil, to make body cream. You can use it to make serum. You can use it to make body butter, even lip gloss. So at this point, you notice that I'm transferring it back into a darker container, and this is where I'll start using it. And I also advise do same if you were able to make this carrot oil. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.